Welcome to the YBL.AI training video on how to use the Copilot with the Wealthbox CRM to streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. We'll start with setting up your YBL.AI account with Wealthbox. Then we will go through an example of how to use our Copilot to bring data securely into the Copilot. This is especially useful in prepare letters, agendas, and other documents, or with bringing data in from the CRM to use with another system. And lastly, with a meeting and setting up a client in Wealthbox and filing a meeting note. Let's start. First, navigate to the Settings page in YBL.AI and click on the Wealthbox button. This will establish a secure connection between your Wealthbox account and the Copilot. First, the Copilot can read data from your CRM. When you need to access client information, simply request the data from the Copilot. As an example, let's prepare a memo to your team based on the data retrieved. It will retrieve the relevant details from Wealthbox and present them in your chat interface for immediate use. Writing to the CRM. Let's now use the Copilot to join you in a meeting, take notes, create a new client, and file a meeting note to the CRM. Let's start the meeting. During the meeting, the Copilot will actively transcribe the conversation and highlight important points. Let's jump ahead using a sample transcription and produce a default meeting note. From here, we can tell Ripper to create a new client record. Ripper will present the fields that it needs to complete this task, and pre-fill them as best as it can. If you uploaded any PDFs such as a utilities bill, or if there is more information in the chat history that is useful, the Copilot will try and use this information to help you. You have a chance to edit this first. Once complete, the Copilot will then create a new client record in Wealthbox, automatically populating the fields with the details you supplied. Let's look at the record in Wealthbox. If you have a client record already in the CRM, you can tell the Copilot to post the meeting note to the CRM directly. Again, it will present to you the fields it intends to complete, along with its best recommendation, and you can edit it if need be, or you can cancel and try again. When you click on the tick, it will then proceed to update the CRM accordingly. Let's look at the record in Wealthbox. Try it for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. We're constantly updating and adding new applications and workflows, along with training videos. For more information, please don't hesitate to check out our wiki.